Hey everyone, today in this video, I'm going to walk you through the map settings on the Narwal Freo X Plus. If you're interested in this product or you want to find out more about it, the link to it will be in the video description. First things first, we have to enter into the app. So here's our Freo X Plus. We select the enter the device homepage and we're taken to our main overview and section where we can see our detailed map. So right from this screen, right-hand side, we have a 3D option and we have a map icon next to each other. We're going to select the 3D option. This takes us to, you guessed it, a 3D view of our map, which is pretty cool. We got the carpet and the different floor types enabled right there. And then below that, we have some additional map settings. So, top right-hand corner of that, we'll check this button in a second, but it's map list. That'll get us more map settings. But below that, we have our current map. We can choose the color type and what we want to display on our map, as well as if we want to display the floor plan. That's an experimental feature. You can toggle that on or off. Let's go ahead, let's select map list though, and this takes us to multiple maps. This supports up to 4 maps at one time. So we can select that plus button and we can add a new map right here as we see fit. So if you have an upstairs, a downstairs, things like that, you can do that all within the app there. Now we'll go back out to this screen where in the top right-hand corner, we can select the little settings icon there, and midway towards the bottom we have our map editing option. We can select that, and now we can split our rooms. So in this case we only have one room, so let's select it and let's go ahead and split it. Boom, there we go. We just split our room. At the top we can also toggle to merge if we want to merge them back. We'll go back here. Next up, there's merge again, followed by naming the rooms. So we could name our room if we want, customize name, or you can pick and choose from their presets. Then we have furniture. If you wanted to add furniture and build out each room, you can do that. Next, floor material. You can change the floor material. Couple options to choose from. Then we have our carpet areas. So we can select those and we can choose what we want to happen to those carpets. Power boost, so is it going to clean the carpet, sidestep the carpet, cross the carpet, or regular clean? So basically ignore the carpet as carpet and just treat it like regular hard floors and surfaces. Customize settings and default settings here. You can choose both of those. And then last but definitely not least in regards to map settings here, no-go zones. So we can select that plus icon. They're drag and drop, and you can choose what you want. No vacuuming and mopping, no vacuuming or no mopping. You have 3 different options to configure everything right there. But just drag and drop. You can add multiples of each as you see fit. And then very easy if you want to delete one. There's that little red trash can icon on the left-hand side of the screen towards the bottom for the properties. We can delete them as well. Area and room options there to configure as you see fit. And lastly, from our main screen here, looking at that map, we can customize our clean based off cleaning everywhere, or if we want to do a room by room clean. So maybe we just want to clean one room, we can highlight that room and start our clean, or we can select a cleaning zone and we can pick and choose a particular area to clean with our vacuum and mop. So very capable in regards to its navigation and its map settings.